you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to create an account on Fidelity. So we are right here on fidelity.com and then we can select right here immediately to open an account. So we select right here, open an account. Then we can select right here which account we want to use. So do we want to use a crypto account, a brokerage account, a retirement? So choose right here which one you want to use. So let's say I want to use from here a nice crypto account. So I select right here, open an account. And then what we're going to do right here is, are you already a Fidelity customer? No, I'm not. Then we do right here next. Then right here, he's loading. And then with a Fidelity crypto account, you can trade crypto and stocks in one app, start trading with as little as $1, build crypto knowledge at your place. Then we click right here on let's go. Then right now, he is asking us a lot, like this. Don't worry, we'll open your account for you, and in both brokerage accounts, you trade equities, mutual funds, and ETFs. Then we do next. Then we click right here on individual. Okay, and right now, you need to do it by yourselves because I can't create a Fidelity account because I'm from the Netherlands and I'm not allowed to create an account on Fidelity. So that is why I won't do that. But right now you need to do it by yourselves because fill in all the information right here, click on next, then you will get a few steps and then after that you can use Fidelity by yourselves. This is the place where you need to be. Do the following steps and then after that you can use Fidelity. But I can't show you right now how to do that because I'm not allowed to do that. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.